If you want to edit quick settings or the control center on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is you need to go to the quick settings, to the control center section, and then in here we can tap on this pen icon that we have at the top of the screen. Now of course over here we can remove things that we don't really need anymore, so we can tap on this minus button that we have in the upper left side of the button. We can also change positions. You can just press and hold in order to select the button, and then we can drag it and drop it somewhere else, and it looks more or less like this. Over here we also have like additional section which makes buttons a little bit bigger. So in this case, if you remove something, let's say this mobile data button, we can actually add something else. Let's say I can add the QR code in here instead. So we can probably customize this section and make it look however you wish to. Of course, we can move these things around as well quite easily. There we go. And of course, if you want to add something new, we can press this plus button that we have in the upper left corner. In here we can scroll down in order to find some buttons that are not added yet, so then you can easily add them. So let's say in this case I'm going to add the IR remote. There we go. We can tap on done. And now I can easily use this button in quick settings. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.